The hyperfocal distance is a distance where all objects are brought into an acceptable focus. When you manipulate the settings in your camera, you can extend this hyperfocal distance to get everything from front to back in focus. It does depend what level of sharpness you consider to be acceptable. Now that's the geeky side of it, but there is a simple way to get the most out of your hyperfocal distance. Obviously there are limits to this, but if you're not too close to your foreground, you can get everything in focus in one shot. All you need is a camera that has the focal distance on the back of the camera, a bit like the A7 III. Once you've found your composition, switch to manual focus, set your aperture between f11 and f16, magnify in on the horizon, then set the focal distance on this scale to the closest point where the horizon is still in focus. I can get my 25mm lens to around about 4 meters before the background becomes unacceptable. To be on the safe side, I normally set it to about 6 meters, but then this means everything from about 1.5 meters away from the lens to infinity is in focus, and that's at f16. So get your favorite landscape lens and try this out. If you want to see more videos, subscribe and turn on notifications, and also head over to my video library on my channel where I have lots of different tutorials. I'll see you next time.